Welcome back to the Car Blitz. Today, we're diving into something truly special, the 2025 Bentley Flying Spur Mulliner. This is not just a car, it's a rolling statement of handcrafted luxury, cutting-edge technology, and pure British refinement. Whether you're a long-time Bentley enthusiast or just someone who appreciates the finer things in life, you're going to want to stick around for this one. Let's start with the design, because, let's face it, this car looks like money. The 2025 Flying Spur Mulliner takes the already stunning Flying Spur and gives it the Mulliner treatment, which means more elegance, more exclusivity, and more intricate detail. At the front, the signature, double-diamond, Mulliner grille is immediately eye-catching, bold and deeply polished, framed by jewel-like LED matrix headlamps with crystal-cut effect detailing. There's something distinctly timeless about the design. It doesn't scream, it whispers, with authority. Flanking the sides are Mulliner-branded wing vents and exclusive 22-inch polished alloy wheels that add just the right amount of flair. Everything feels proportioned, balanced, commanding, without ever crossing into excess. Stepping inside, and I say this without exaggeration, is like entering a luxury suite at the Ritz. The craftsmanship is just on another level. This isn't mass production, it's artistry. The Mulliner cabin features hand-stitched leather, with Bentley's exclusive double-diamond quilting on the seats and door panels. This takes over 400,000 stitches to complete in a single cabin. That's not a typo, 400,000. The veneer options are equally impressive, from grand black to piano linen, or open-pore woods like dark bur walnut. And every panel is mirror-matched by eye to ensure symmetry. You won't find that in your typical luxury sedan. Under the hood, Bentley offers two powertrains for the Mulliner Flying Spur. First up, there's the 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8, producing 542 horsepower and 568 lb-ft of torque. That's plenty of power for any situation, and it delivers a surprisingly sporty character. But if you want the ultimate expression of Bentley performance, opt for the 6.0-liter twin-turbo W12, an engineering icon. With 626 horsepower and a mind-blowing 664 lb-ft of torque, this version rockets from 0 to 60 in 3.7 seconds. That's supercar territory, in a four-door luxury sedan weighing over 2.5 tons. So, who is the 2025 Bentley Flying Spur Mulliner for? It's for someone who appreciates the intersection of performance and poise, who values not just luxury, but the craftsmanship behind it. This isn't about showing off. It's about showing up, in style, in comfort, and in control. It's a car for people who have nothing left to prove, but still expect the best of everything. And that wraps up our in-depth look at the 2025 Bentley Flying Spur Mulliner. A vehicle that's as much about how it makes you feel as how it makes you move. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more high-end automotive content. What would you spec in your perfect flying spur? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay classy and drive beautifully.